I'm not entirely sure on the best place to start with this. I guess sticker ideas. Okay, I'm going to whip out my bullet journal where I have written down some stuff that I would like to make some stickers for, and also I can look through and like see the stuff that I generally write often and maybe like make some stickers for those that I don't already have. Movie night stickers. That could be cute. Maybe I could do like a movie marquee or something. Book reading stickers. I've gotten into the habit of whenever I finish a book, I will write like a little review in this journal of mine. So I think it'd be really cute if I could have the cover there to stick. So I'm just gonna write in some books that I'm hopefully going to be finishing soon. I don't want to make this just my new TBR list, so we're gonna leave it at that. Stickers that you color in. Ooh, I wanted film, edit, and upload. Also, it could be fun to have like some kind of tracker. Oh, you know what? Actually, I really wanted to make a exercise tracker for me to like put at the beginning of the week to write in like the exercise that I want to do each day. I feel like I'm being a bit ambitious in all of the things that I want to make. Okay. I'm opening up Silhouette on my computer. I feel like that is a good place to start. I got my Silhouette out. I have the Silhouette portrait. So I'm going to be doing 3 different stickers in this video. First of all, I'm going to be making my book cover stickers, which I can put in when I finish the books. And then I am going to be making some exercise trackers to put in my weekly spreads. And then finally, I am going to be making some film edit and upload stickers, which I'm going to hopefully do like with some calligraphy and like art and stuff like that. I'm literally going to attempt to do this in the absolute most basic way possible by dragging the pictures. I save them just like to my computer. And I'm just gonna drag in hopes that they appear. Oh, they do! Oh my goodness. Okay, perfect. Okay. Okay, we have a sticker. I can confirm. Well, we have an image on what will be printed on sticker paper. But I need to figure out how to get it to actually print. Oh wait, hold on, I swear. Okay, this video is gonna basically be me attempting to do things and then realizing that's not the right way to do things and then changing my mind. Okay, my camera kind of ran out of battery halfway through filming that, but I have finished making the book cover one, so they're all in Silhouette and ready to go. I just figured I'd put everything all on one sheet just so that I'm not wasting paper. I actually realized that there is a setting over here which is just like an offset thing. So basically what I wound up doing was I clicked on the image and then I just did an internal offset and I set that to 0.003. That way I'm definitely not getting any white space around it. So the next thing I want to try to make is like a weekly exercise log. How big do I want it to be? This is like what a weekly spread of mine usually looks like, and I almost always have enough space here and there for that size, so it's probably like ruler 1.5 by 1.8. Okay, I'm going to mess around with this a little bit and then I will get back to you when I've designed it the way that I want it. To make the tracker, all I did was I took a bunch of these little rectangles and then I just duplicated them down, aligned them, and then just typed them in with the color. And I think I'm going to make a couple of these in a couple different colors because I tend to color code my weeks. To have the cut lines, that seems to be the most difficult part. The lines that you want to cut all need to be the same color. So I'm going to make everything red. It is the next day now. I kind of gave up on this last night. It was just taking a lot of time and it was frustrating me. But I've been messing around a little bit with it this morning and I think I've figured out like exactly what to do, and basically I was just making it a lot more difficult than it needed to be. I last night finished making the designs that I wanted for my film edit and upload stickers, and honestly, literally the way that I wound up doing this as I was messing around with it, so much easier than I've ever done it before. Like even whenever I was making these stickers to sell, like it was so much work all the time, and what I've just done is literally like so straightforward, and I'm just like, if only I had done this in the first place. This is what I made for the film edit and upload stickers, and I think they're going to be so cute. Also, as I'm exporting these, I'm making sure I do it with a transparent background and exporting it as a PNG. That just makes it easier for me later on because I don't have to get rid of the background. Literally all I'm going to do is choose the pen setting on here and then just like the draw smooth freehand, and then I'm going to zoom in and just use my pen to outline these, like the distance away from it that I want and everything. Okay, I had to rearrange it just slightly to get it all in the cut lines, but I now have like an outline where I want it to like actually cut through the paper so that I have like a bunch of slips, not just one big page. So now is for the fun part of actually trying to get it to cut out. I'm nervous about printing just because my printer sometimes prints with weird line colors on it. We're gonna hope that this works, so I'm just going to go send it over. Okay, I finally got it to print. Some of the colors turned out a little bit different than I imagined them, especially like this blue. I don't know if you can tell, this looks like very blue there, and it's more of like a green on here. This did an outline. That was my mistake. I probably just like set the wrong size for those, but everything else looks good, and now I'm going to actually run it through the silhouette. I'm actually so shook at how this came out. Like I really like the way it looks. I'm so excited to use these. Okay. Maybe this is why I never cut it out. In review, this is not the final product because it, like the stickers just won't come up. The cut mustn't have been forceful enough, which is very frustrating. I've just spent about half an hour messing with these cut capabilities, but I think I've got it perfect, so we're gonna go try again. Okay, it's all done. This is the moment of truth. Let's see if we can get it off the page. So far, so good. There's like a tiny bit in like the smaller sections, but that came off pretty well. Okay, this is so exciting. Y'all, oh my goodness. They're like actually so good. Yeah, okay, these are perfect. I'm so excited. I can't believe that I actually managed to get these to work. Honestly, not gonna lie, I think the cut that I just did is so much better than any cut I ever did whenever I had the Etsy shop. it just, like, back then, I just did not know what I was doing. I didn't realize you could, like, test it on this. I'm so excited. That makes me so happy. I can't believe that that actually worked. Perfect. Oh my goodness. I hope that you all enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to give it a like and comment below, and make sure to subscribe if you are new. If you have any ideas that I should make for stickers, then just let me know. I had so much fun doing this. I haven't done this in so long, and it's like, oh, going back to my sophomore, junior year self. I will see you in my next video. Bye!